Actor Gil Gerard, well known for his legendary performance as Buck Rogers, passed away at the age of 82, leaving Hollywood sad. For lovers of classic science fiction worldwide, his demise signaled the end of an era, and many who grew up watching him on television have been sharing their recollections in droves. After a brief fight with an uncommon and extremely severe type of cancer, Gil Gerard passed away. Family members reported that the sickness advanced at a frightening rate, leaving little time for preparation or treatment. He passed away quietly with his wife Janet Gerard by his side after spending his last days in hospice care. His condition rapidly worsened after the diagnosis, according to those close to him who described the scenario as alarming. On screen, Gerard exuded confidence and bravery, but his private life revealed a far more nuanced picture. Prior to being well known, he had financial difficulties and pursued acting while working a variety of jobs. Even after becoming a household name through Buck Rogers in the 25th century, success did not shield him from hardship. Later, he talked candidly about his struggles with alcohol and substance abuse, as well as the psychological effects of the show's cancellation. His career was also impacted by his health and weight issues, which limited his options and made him face challenging facts away from the spotlight. Gerard's interpersonal connections were just as complex. He had 5 marriages, several of which ended in tragedy. He maintained a strong bond with his family despite the turbulence, particularly with his son Gib Gerard, whom he frequently spoke of with pride. According to friends, Gerard never pretended his life was flawless and thought it was equally vital to be honest about failures as it was to celebrate successes. With Janet Gerard, his fifth wife, Gerard eventually found security and contentment in his old years. After years of upheaval, she restored balance and serenity into his life, according to those close to the couple. Although their time together was significant, Janet claimed that Gil was her soulmate and that their time together was never long enough. She stayed by his side during his last months, a symbol of the peaceful contentment he had discovered in his later years. Gerard wrote a touching message for his followers prior to his passing, urging them to enjoy life to the fullest. Stay away from negativity and never waste time on things that don't make them happy or loving. Those remarks have gone viral on the internet since his death, striking a chord with viewers who now regard them as his parting gift. In addition to his fame on television, Gil Gerard is remembered by both fans and co-workers for his kindness and modesty. He was always willing to grin, talk, and listen, and many people who encountered him at fan conventions remember how friendly he was. Tributes to him abound on social media, characterizing him as a boyhood hero who remained sincere even after the camera stopped filming. Gil Gerard's life was characterized by notoriety, hardship, rebirth, and in the end, serenity. His narrative serves as a reminder that every well-known character is a real person going through difficult times. Even though he is no longer with us, his legacy endures through his writings, his speeches, and the generations of admirers who will always remember the hero he created.